And no reports of damage or injuries in Sparta after another earthquake shook this city yesterday, this time a 2.2 magnitude one with 30 people reporting the shakes. Fox 46 meteorologist Elisa Rafa here to explain why Sparta keeps shaking. Elisa.
Yeah, this is the third earthquake that they've felt in just 3 weeks. And while it's minor, residents still feel the ground moving beneath them. So experts tell me this is common for the area. They call it a seismic zone.
It felt like a truck had backed into the building, actually, is what it felt like. And that preceded by a loud boom like. And it really just shook the whole building up here.
That's Sparta Mayor Wes Brinegar describing Thursday's 2.2 magnitude earthquake, the city's third quake in just 1 month. They've been feeling many smaller shakes after a big earthquake struck last August. The 5.1 magnitude was one of the strongest earthquakes to hit North Carolina in 100 years, causing significant damage to homes and businesses. UNC Charlotte geologist Dr. Andy Babiarczyk compares the constant shakes to a weak, broken bone that just won't heal.
Millions of years ago, we did have active earthquake faults in North Carolina, but the tectonic situation changed. So what is happening now, these earthquakes, like the very recent small Sparta, North Carolina earthquakes, and even the larger one from last year, those are occurring on old fractures almost randomly.
That old earth crust puts the Western Carolinas in a seismic zone, seen clearly here by old earthquake reports since 1983. These often form near mountains because millions of years ago, a massive earthquake is what gave us the Appalachian chain.
We're on edge and hear the slightest little thing and they think it's an earthquake now. And of course,
And I think those residents are on edge because we can't really forecast earthquakes like we forecast the weather. They just move too fast. They're way underground. We can't see the earthquakes like we can see the skies. The best way to monitor them is to just keep watching those seismic zones. Paige.